Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen with New Hope Chiropractic. I often get asked the question, when should you go see a chiropractor? Well, whether you have an aching back, migraines, muscle spasms, or another painful condition, chiropractic care will offer an effective and natural solution. Not sure if your symptoms warrant a visit to the chiropractic office? Well, pick up the phone if you experience any of these complaints or concerns. Low back pain affects 619 million people throughout the world, according to the World Health Organization. So if you're one of them, you might be feeling a little frustrated at your inability to find relief for the pain. Although muscle relaxants and over-the-counter and prescription medications ease the pain, the results are usually short-lived. Once the medication wears off, the pain can return. So chiropractic treatment relieves pain and often keeps it from returning because of spinal adjustments. These are known as adjustments, and it's one of the quickest treatments that the chiropractor uses to relieve your back pain. Quick focused pressure is applied during this treatment. It realigns the vertebrae in the spine and reduces pain and stiffness. Patients that have acute low back pain, for example, can see modest improvements in pain and function after spinal adjustments, according to a systematic review in Journal of American Medical Association in 2017. Now, next, you can have neck pain, and this often accompanies back pain and can happen if the vertebrae in your neck are misaligned or muscles and other tissues are uncomfortably tight. So common causes here are bad posture, like sleeping in a bad, awkward position, tilting your head to view screens and digital devices, neck injuries like whiplash, for example, if you get rear-ended while you're driving your car, osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, herniated discs, compressed nerves, and stress. In addition to spinal adjustment therapy, chiropractor can also use things like soft tissue mobilization, deep tissue massage, ART, myofascial release, things like that to relieve tightness and muscle spasms. Do your headaches and migraines keep you at home when you'd rather be enjoying life or when you need to work? Well, chiropractic treatments can relieve your pain and reduce the frequency and severity of headaches too. Global Advantages in Health and Medicine noted the benefits of chiropractic care for migraines, and a case series published in 2019, spinal adjustments and soft tissue techniques helped one patient reduce her migraines from 3 to 4 times a week to once per month. Huge decrease there in frequency. Another patient during the case series had migraines almost every day. Although Botox decreased the frequency of her headaches, neck pain was a constant problem. Chiropractors discovered that trigger points or knots in the muscles caused the pain and used soft tissue release, spinal adjustments, things like that to ease the pain, and after the chiropractic treatments, the intensity of her headaches decreased by 50%. Also, chiropractic treatment improves blood flow and decreases inflammation after an injury, which can speed healing over time. So treatments also break up scar tissue that can lead to stiff joints. So this is especially important in sports injuries, performance issues, car accidents, things like that. Also, you can improve your performance if you're an athlete, for example, by improving flexibility and range of motion, enhancing your balance and posture by keeping your spine properly aligned, increasing muscle strength by eliminating misalignments or muscle tension, shortening the recovery period after exertion. Next is also numbness and tingling. If you're experiencing that, chiropractic can decrease the pain there by reducing pressure on bulging discs. If you have poor balance and frequent falls, well, misalignments up in the upper neck can be a source of that. Adjusting those areas can take pressure off the brainstem and help with balance issues and falls. Also, if you're stressed a lot, neck and shoulders get tight, and that can lead to decreased quality of life. Chiropractic can help. So check us out at newhopechiropractic.com. You can even book an appointment there, besides getting more information, and we'll be glad to check you out and see if we can help you out. With that, have a healthy day.